back, artistic family. Glad you guys are here. If you're new, thank you for joining my channel. Please consider subscribing by the end, and don't forget to turn on your notifications. Everybody, please. If you don't select all, definitely select personalize, and at least you'll get notified when I post new videos. Please go ahead and check out my abstract painting playlist for those of you who are new. I am a fluid artist who has just recently ventured into abstract painting, and I love metallics. So, especially the classics and the neutral metallics. So what I'm doing today, guys, is I have my silver, my white, my black, my gold, of course, and then the last of my obsidian. So my idea for today is I'm going to lay these three big cups, the silver, gold, and black, or white and black, in different piles. And then I'm going to go over it with the obsidian and the 24 karat gold. I'm going to do a simple swipe, okay, somewhat diagonal. I'm looking for a lot of flow and movement with this pie knife that I used a long time ago when I tried to do combining techniques, and I was almost there, but it didn't work. So I'm just going to do that. I have a little bit of Floetrol, 2 parts Floetrol in my bare satin enamel, okay? So I'm probably going to get some cells more than likely, especially with the consistency, but because my paints are thin as a slight mound, they're probably not going to stay. And that's okay, because what I'm looking for is that gorgeous blending, which is why I'm doing the swipe, and beautiful movement. So let's go ahead and get going. We're going to come in here. Boom, boom, boom. I can torch them, but when they're really big, I just have fun. Because I just love to get a torch. I'm doing so much abstract painting and all my stuff is everywhere. Okay. And then now I'm going, no, I'm going to, yes. So now, going, look at that. Right? Look at that. Oh, this is why I love silver, guys. This is why I love that silver. Don't worry, I'll take you guys in once I pour it. I like to do that now intermittently because it changes so much the progression. And that's why I always say watch the whole video, because you actually get to see what's going on and where the paints were, what they look like, and then when I torch, if I get cells, what it looked like without cells, etc., etc. Okay, and then now I am just going to come around here. Some of the white. Oh my. Just gonna come around here with the gold. And definitely want that obsidian in there as well, the gold. Just lay the rest of that here. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so pretty. So pretty. Wow. You guys know I am excited right now. So excited. Okay, so I just checked the camera to make sure I was recording. And I noticed that there's a reflection over here. I have 2 big windows. So I apologize for that, guys. But like I said, you'll get a close-up after I swipe, and then you'll also get one in the close-up. So I'm going to come down this way and kind of come over here. kind of following a path. No way. Oh, happy dance, happy dance, happy, happy dance. If you're new to my channel, yes, I'm silly too. Oh my. Ooh, I want to go on a swiping tangent now. I don't want to get too excited because I know a lot of this I'm going to lose, but all right, so let's just follow the same pattern. This swipes like butter. Ooh. Okay, I want some blocks of color. Ooh. Oh my, my, my. Oh my. This is just gorgeous. And I can't wait to see that obsidian once it's stretched out. If you watch my shocking golden Oasis, as well as my, I've used this paint a couple times, but those are the ones where you can really see the gorgeous effects that this obsidian makes. So that and my haze effect, I will link those for you. Okay. Okay, I am more than happy with this design so far. Wow. Okay, let me take you guys in for a quick close-up. My paint's now set up, and then we'll get tilting. Wow. I know I'm always going to say it. Look at that shimmer. Metallic effect. That obsidian, you can already see it doing its magic. But wow. I'm going to lose all those over here for a fact. I can tell now. Now these might open up really wide. I'm hoping to keep that black going in between, but I'm probably going to add to it. But wow, guys. Absolutely stunning. Okay, let's get tilting. those beautiful succulent pearl cells. Beautiful. They look like the ones that I get in my 1, 2, 3 pearl recipe, but a little bit different because they're slightly bigger and a little bit more prominent just because that obsidian is so reactive. So I am going to have to do a pearl pour with the obsidian. But I absolutely love those. And the variation here. The gold reads as bronze with all the mixing, and I knew that would happen. I didn't want it prominent. As I mentioned, I wanted a smoky feel, like a deep, dark feel. And that's exactly what I got. And I'm just loving all the unexpected variations of the cells. I really love how this turned out. And those floating metallic cells are stunning. And make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you all in the next pour.